2026 is shaping up to be one of the most important investing years of the decade. The biggest gains rarely come from chasing hype after it explodes. The real money is made by positioning early before mainstream investors pile in. Today, we're breaking down stocks and cryptocurrencies that could see serious growth through 2026 and beyond. We'll cover AI infrastructure, next-generation chips, and crypto networks building the backbone of the future digital economy. But before we jump in, remember every week we're giving away $250 to one subscriber. Make sure you're subscribed, like the video, and comment below with the investment you're most bullish on in 2026 to enter. Let's start with the stock market because the biggest technological shift right now is clearly artificial intelligence. The first company investors continue to watch closely is Nvidia. Nvidia has essentially become the backbone of the AI revolution. Their GPUs power everything from AI research labs to massive cloud computing centers run by companies like Microsoft and Amazon. As AI models get bigger and more complex, demand for Nvidia's hardware keeps rising. Even after huge growth in recent years, analysts still believe Nvidia could remain a key AI infrastructure company of the decade. Next is Microsoft, and this is where things get interesting. Microsoft isn't just investing in AI, they're embedding it across Windows, Office, and Azure. Their partnership with OpenAI has given them an advantage in integrating AI tools into everyday software used by millions of businesses. If AI truly transforms productivity over the next decade, Microsoft could remain one of the largest beneficiaries. Another major player investors are watching is Amazon. While many think of Amazon as e-commerce, the real engine behind profitability is AWS. As companies build AI models and digital services, demand for cloud infrastructure keeps rising. AWS already powers a massive portion of the internet, and as AI expands, Amazon could capture even more demand. Now let's talk about AI software companies gaining attention, starting with Palantir. Palantir specializes in data analytics and AI-driven decision systems used by governments, corporations, and defense organizations. Their platforms help analyze huge data sets and generate actionable insights using artificial intelligence. As industries move toward AI-driven decision-making, Palantir is positioned in a very interesting niche that could grow significantly. Now let's shift to crypto because digital assets could also see major developments in 2026. Starting with the obvious leader, Bitcoin. Bitcoin remains the foundation of the entire crypto ecosystem. Institutional adoption has continued growing, and many now view Bitcoin as a digital store of value similar to gold. With supply capped and increasing demand from institutions and ETFs, Bitcoin could remain an important long-term crypto investment. Next up is Ethereum, which dominates decentralized applications, smart contracts, and decentralized finance. Ethereum's network powers thousands of projects from NFTs to decentralized exchanges to financial applications. As blockchain adoption expands, Ethereum remains one of the most important infrastructure layers of the crypto economy. If DeFi, tokenized assets, and blockchain applications keep growing, Ethereum could remain highly valuable. Another crypto gaining attention is Solana, positioned as a faster and cheaper alternative blockchain. Solana's ability to process transactions quickly with low fees appeals to developers building decentralized apps, gaming platforms, and NFT marketplaces. If blockchain technology continues pushing toward mass adoption, networks like Solana that focus on speed and scalability could play a major role. Remember the $250 giveaway and make sure to subscribe and comment to enter. Thanks for watching, and drop which investment you're most bullish on for 2026 in the comments.